Hey, what's going on out there, folks? Rooster here in Tennessee, looking at a radio that you don't see every day. This tank that we're looking at is a President Adams, and it is a mobile radio. To my knowledge, it's the biggest mobile radio ever made. Physically, it is a absolute monster. This one comes with the factory bracket. And I believe this radio is completely stock, if I'm not mistaken. And it's in really good shape, really nice and clean. We'll do an output test on it and everything. It hasn't been ran very much in the last few years, so I've had it hooked up here, letting it run some. And that being said, the knobs might be a little scratchy on it. It really just needs to be talked on, but for somebody that likes these radios, I think you'll be hard-pressed to find one that's in better shape. We'll look at all the features on it here. Pretty much self-explanatory. Now the dimmer, as you turn it up, it goes down. In case you're wondering about that. So all the way to the left is the brightest it'll go. Mic gain, RF gain, tone for the receive. Your meter's got multiple modes on it. RF indicator, hello, 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 hello. And then, let's see, put that mic down. Modulation, hello, 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 hello. And basically everything else is pretty self-explanatory on it. You've got your channel 9, channel 19. Lock modes. It does have a scan on it, which I'm not exactly sure how the scan function works on here, but normal is obviously your just standard dial, and you can see all of our channel lights work good. Real smooth dial on it. This is a nice radio. For guys that collect sideband radios, especially older sideband radios, this is one that you need in your collection. But let's test it. Let's see. We're on AM right now, so here's our mode selector up front. We're on AM. We'll test it over here on the Bird 43. Peak kit is on already. Hello, 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 hello. 50 watt scale. Hello, 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 hello. Middle scale. Hello, hello, hello. We're showing a little bit over 20. That's on AM. We'll go to upper sideband. Hello, 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 hello. Showing right at 20. And just for kicks, lower sideband. Hello, 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 hello. Right at 20. We're listening to it through this old grand over here. Hello, test, 1, 2. Hello, hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, hello. Obviously, we don't have ourselves dialed in on sideband, but you can tell it's working just fine. We'll do average power next. Let's get off sideband first. Let's go to AM. 3 watts audio, 4.5 watts of average power. Audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 4.5 watts average. Audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I think this thing's pretty stock. Hello, test, 1, 2. We'll go to AM and listen to it over here. Hello, 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 hello. Crystal clear. Audio test, 1, 2. President Adams, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio test, 1, 2, 3. Audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, 1, 2. Superstar 507 is what we're running on it. And that's it. President Adams, AM and sideband transceiver. Like I said, the knobs and stuff on it, guys, if you get this thing, despite its immaculate condition, just know that, you may have to clean some knobs. It's not giving me any static or anything. There's the receive on it. We'll show you it receives too. That's just keying up another radio on the dummy load, show you it receives. But, you know, it's not scratchy, but, you know, you may find that some of the knobs end up being a little scratchy. Seems to be in good shape to me. President Adams, if you guys are interested in this thing, let me know. Shoot me a text message, 423-299-3535. Make you a pretty good deal on it. I don't suppose this one will last very long if the right people see it that like these radios, but you never know. All right, hope you guys enjoy. See you, bye.